Hi everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, D Dawn will be showing you a quick and easy recipe. Guess what? It will be sweet plantain bread or ripe plantain bread, yellow plantain bread. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Also to all my supporter, YouTuber, follower, and subscriber, a very big, warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. So let's begin to rumble. Half cup walnut, 3 tablespoons of raisin, 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt. It doesn't matter what salt you want to use. 1 cup of dark sugar, 1 plantain, very ripe and soft plantain. You see my finger piercing it, that to tell you how soft it is. 2 eggs, 2.5 cup of flour, half cup evaporated milk, 6 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Here it's optional. I'm using some white chips and some brown ones. So it's a combination. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You got to put the oven to preheat at 350 degrees. In a bowl, you place the sugar and the butter. And you mix it around, you combine it together, and you set it aside. You're gonna save all your dry ingredients, the flour, your cinnamon powder, and the baking soda, except the salt, because you can't save the salt, it won't go through the sieve. Always save for lump and for air to pass through, so your baking can be light when you finish. So now you want to peel on the ripe plantain. You see it is so ripe. Just slice it, not too fine because we're gonna put it to blend. I'm just gonna pour a little of the milk on the plantain, just like half. So now you're just gonna place the plantain on the NutriBullet, and we're just gonna let it puree just for like 1 minute. And I wanna whisk the egg. Now we will be combining the plantain to the butter and the sugar. And your eggs. The vanilla, 1 teaspoon. The salt and the raisin. The remaining of the carnation milk, I'm putting it in the jug Gotta blend the plantain in because I have so much plantain leaf back in it, and I just want to shake, shake, shake. Just set it aside so everything can run back down in the jug. With the walnut, you're gonna chop the walnut as fine as possible, and this is optional. You can use whatever nuts you so desire. On the walnut, you see it's finished chopped very, very fine. So this is how fine you want the walnut to be. And now we're gonna come in with our mixer. Put it in, and you're gonna begin at a very low speed because you don't want this thing all over the place. And you just wanna mix it just for like 30, half a minute to 1 minute. And then you're gonna put in the walnut and your chocolate and white chips just for it to moisten. I should leave some to go on top. Just leave some to sprinkle on the top with some of the chocolate chips and white chips. You just want to mix it around. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed. Please be sure to subscribe. Like the video. Share this video with a friend of a friend, and a friend of a friend. And hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don is doing a video. Also, please be free to leave a comment and let me know from where you are watching this video from. So I will be greasing the bottom of the loaf tin with some butter. It's a non-stick loaf tin, so just for extra precaution, because I don't have to do this because, as I said, it's a non-stick. And you set this aside. You want to mix the flour around properly so it can blend in with the cinnamon powder and the baking soda. And now you're just going to combine the flour mixture into the wet mixture. And you're going to do it gradually. You're not going to do it all one time. And I just want to mix it around. And remember our little mixture that we have in the NutriBullet. I'm just going to pour it on it too. But let me mix it around first. Here, let me pour this on. And with this, you're just gonna do the cut and fold mixture. There, the oven is going off. At this stage, it can remain as it is, or if you want, you can use the hand mixer to mix it around a little. But this is optional. So guys, this is the consistency that you want to have. Remember, you're making a plantain bread. Sweet plantain bread, yellow plantain bread, or ripe plantain. In Jamaica, they call it ripe plantain. But other place refer to sweet plantain, yellow plantain. So after you top with the chocolate chips, you just wanna press on it just a little, so smooth it out a little with your finger, and it's looking like this. So now you will be popping this bad plantain bread, sweet plantain bread, in the oven. So with the oven preheated at 350 degrees, you place it in the oven and it's gonna bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until you insert a toothpick in and it come out dry. Hey, beautiful people, what a guan. Jamaica, that's a wagwan. So what is going on? This is our plantain bread. It's now ready. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Look at it. So when you remove it from the oven, what you need to do is pass a little melted butter over on top. And how do you know that your plantain bread is baked? You take a toothpick and you insert. And once the toothpick come out dry, you know the plantain bread is baked. You see? It is dry. If it come out moist, wet, you know you just have to give it some more time. So roughly, I said it was going to take 1 hour and 15 minutes, but instead it take 1 hour and 8 minutes. So you just want to let it cool. So this is cool now, and then you're going to remove it from the loaf tin. It all fall out from the tin. Wow, what a beauty, guy. Look how beautiful it's looking on the bottom. So you're just gonna flip it over back because we need the top. Look at our plantain bread. And beautiful people, the plantain bread is now ready. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Mouth watering. Then why not? Why not? Give it a try, beautiful people. You will love it. So what I'm gonna do now, I will be cutting on a slice of this plantain bread so you can see the wonders inside. So it's taste time. So remember, you just let it cool. It's not cool like that. It's still a bit warm. So beautiful people, look at the slice of our plantain bread. Ain't it looking delicious? So give it a try. And I really thank you for watching D Don Kitchen. I'm gonna taste this for you. Look how soft it is looking. Really soft and mild. So guys, I'm telling you, this thing, the taste is so awesome. Give it a try. You will never stop eat plantain bread. And look at all the chocolate melted in it. The chocolate melted in, and the raisin with the walnut. So beautiful people, please take care of yourself, and above all, please take care of each other. I love you. Peace. I see you on the next one. And don't forget to what? Subscribe. One love. Bye for now.